That bird is very persistent. Probably you hear that better than the speaker. But if you hear that bird completely, without any resistance, hear it completely with all your heart and mind, you know then the art of listening to something. The art of listening is to give your whole mind and heart to that bird that's calling. If you can listen to that bird in that way, you can also listen to your wife, to your husband, to your child, to your neighbor, and perhaps you could also listen to the speaker that way. But we have lost the art of listening. Well, we are so concerned about ourselves, about our problems, our tears, our anguish. And so we are hardly capable of listening so completely. And when you listen so completely with your heart and with your mind, with total attention, that very listening is the miracle of action.